Good everybody, it's Matt here from Skate Parts, and today I have got the Roller Derby Firestar Youth Quad Skates for girls in the black/pink camo colorway. So these ones, as you can see in the picture here on the side of the box, are a pink and black combination with Roller Derby's Firestar Custom Comfort Boot and adjustable power straps. It's the strap that runs around the top of the ankle there. And they've got Roller Derby's patented torsion beam chassis with precise turning and G-Force 608ZB accelerator bearings and pink 54mm polyurethane wheels. Now we're going to have look at these ones in the US youth size one. So let's whip these ones out of the box and have a closer look at them. So there are our Roller Derby or RD Firestar quad skates. As I mentioned, this is the camo pink colorway. So you kind of got this camo pattern through it in various shades of pink. And of course, then that black alternating color there as well. Put that power strap along the top of the boot. And of course, our plate is riveted in, so it's not adjustable or anything like that. The torsion plate is a plastic construction with a polyurethane toe stop on it. So this is the same polyurethane construction as the wheels. There's a bolt-on toe stop with a Phillips head for adjusting that. You can also use a flathead. It does have a extra wide flathead section across the one side. Got 54mm polyurethane wheels and those 608ZB accelerator bearings. So we've got that adjustable power strap on the top of the boot there, which helps to lock it in around their ankle. That's just Velcro to release. And then we've got quite a bit of padding in around the tongue and around the ankle of the boot. It is fairly soft. That tongue especially is really quite thick and quite padded. Coming into the bottom of the boot, the insole is removable. It's a fairly thin padded insole, so it's not super thick or anything like that, and it's just a lightweight bit of padding on top of that base, which is otherwise a fairly hard base in there. You can see those pop rivets there as well where they come through in the heel area. Then of course we're going to have some further down in the front of the toe of the boot there as well. The laces in these are a fairly decent length, so it should be easy enough to manage doing up. These are not an adjustable length boot, so they are fixed lengths, which is just the one size. So in this case it is the one in the youth sizing. So it does recommend on the little instruction guide that comes with these ones that they should have the wheels rotated every 10 or so hours of use, and it does have a pattern that's recommended for doing that. To do that though, you're going to need a spanner for that axle lock nut. You do want to try and keep these dry. They are a sealed bearing, so you don't really need to do much in the way of maintenance on them. Just make sure if you do get them wet that they get an opportunity to dry out as well to avoid rusting and so on. These are made in Vietnam and they have a synthetic upper and liner, so the whole lot is a synthetic boot. It's all man-made, and of course that comes down into the ankle here as well, and the heel, which is a raised heel, but that is like a harder plastic along here. It's kind of reminiscent of what you see in adult skates, which have a hard sole on them, but in this case it is plastic rather than in the adult ones it can often be leather or even wood. In those ones, the toe stop and wheels are meant to be non-marking on both skates, and they are a fairly hard polyurethane. In terms of size, these are fairly true to size, but generally with kids skates where their feet might be growing at a little bit of an unusual rate or might be a little wider than normal or changing a lot, probably want to go up one size. That's what I usually recommend, and just wear some thicker socks just to make sure that they are a better fit and do last for longer. Another option, of course, if they are just a little bit on that big side, is to add an extra insole inside them or a thicker insole insert, but you don't want to go too big, otherwise their feet will move around, because even as much as you can pull those laces in tighter and that strap, you don't want them moving around a whole lot, because that can actually damage the boot if they're just too big, and can also make them hard to skate in. So I wouldn't go more than one, maybe two sizes at the most bigger. So that is the Roller Derby Firestar Youth Girls Quad Roller Skates in the pink camo and black colorway. Hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these skates, make sure you check out the affiliate links that are down in the description, and of course give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one from me. Bye for now.